Today I'm going to show you a quick quarantine budget meal with jerk chicken. Welcome back. Now, in this recipe, there are some habaneros, so it's strongly advised that you use gloves. Funny story, when I used to work at a restaurant, before the end of my shift, I had to cut habaneros for this drink that we were serving. So I didn't use gloves. I was done cutting the habaneros. I was done with my shift. I went to the restroom before I left, and after I left work, I went to the gas station, pumped some gas, and I started feeling burning. I was like, what's going on? Why does this burn so badly? And the heat was intensifying. So I figured out that it was the habanero, so I had to go home and take a cold shower. Imagine taking a cold shower in like 65-degree weather. That is the only relief that I got after that. Anyway, use gloves. So as you can see, we blended everything else together for the jerk chicken, and we poured all our ingredients right there, and we're gonna mix it up. And we're going to store it for at least 3 hours. It's best to do it overnight, but if you're in a hurry, 3 hours is best. Now, you're going to be busy while this chicken is marinating. So if you don't want to cook your beans, you can use canned beans. It's all good. I don't judge. I prefer to use the dry beans. I don't use canned beans unless I have to. So I got a pressure cooker for that, and I'm cooking it for about 35 minutes. Next, we're going to move on to the rice. Now, coconut rice goes perfect with this because jerk chicken is spicy, and coconut rice is a great complement to go along with the jerk chicken. So as you can see, I'm seasoning my rice with coconut milk, black pepper, all the good things, and this comes out to be very, very delicious. So we're gonna put everything in here. We're gonna mix it up, and we're gonna cover and cook it on your rice setting. You can also use a rice cooker for this. Now, after your chicken is done marinating, go ahead and throw it on the grill or stove or in the oven, however you like to cook it. I prefer to use the charcoal grill, and I know some others like to use propane and propane accessories, I tell you what. But the flavor of charcoal is unmatched in my opinion. So after you're done cooking that, go ahead and cut up your cabbage. Cut it up real fine like that because we're making a coleslaw. Your green onion. And you're gonna add that to the cabbage in a bowl on the side separately. Then cilantro. I absolutely love cilantro. You could omit it if you don't like it. It's all good. Now you can use a cup of sweet corn. Just make sure you drain it first. I didn't use any corn, but you can go ahead and mix all the ingredients. Now the mayo I used is a little homemade chipotle mayo. That's why it looks that color. But use your regular mayo. Use whatever mayo you want. Now I'm setting up for the plate, and look at that jerk chicken, just looking so delicious and beautiful. And top it off with some beans. There you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.